This tutorial will help you to understand how to create metric chart in Bizintel360. Let's begin. Navigate to Widgets tab on left-hand side, scroll down and then click on Metric Chart. Now select any of the data source available, either by searching it or scrolling the list. In Set Widget Parameters section, select Aggregation Type, Column Name respectively. There are other options available to change the order, sort or filter. Use them if required. Click Next. To configure the widget properties, go to Set Widget Properties section. There are multiple options available to enhance your chart. Try them all. Within couple of seconds, your metric chart is ready. Pretty quick, isn't it? Now, click on Save button appearing on top right-hand side, name your widget. Click on Save. This is it. Thanks for watching.